Today we have a video from Police Cam Now, and the title of the video is USPS mail lady gets surprised after caught stealing.
On December 18th, 2025, police were called about a report of a mail carrier.
Do you have a consent form?
Yeah.
Oh, I might have one of these.
You cool with letting us call her mom real quick?
Yeah.
You want to go ahead and call your mom? Or you want to do it now? Do that. Actually, let's handle this first.
Grown adults gotta call their parents.
I'm trying to catch you for you, sorry. It's full of stuff.
That's the consent to search. You don't. Well, there's a second. Well, you can. Yeah, just listen.
Are y'all gonna do a press release on this?
No.
No, we're gonna do it.
No, we don't. Yeah, no, we keep everything in house.
I mean, you can. I mean,
Yeah.
it's up to y'all. I mean, it's kind of good optics for
Okay. I mean, if
we'll do a basic one.
what we'll do is we'll get with you guys.
It's a PO right there.
That's on PO.
But let me know. Call me or email me. If you want me to write it up, I can write it up.
So
You
I'll
can
get.
use it as a joint.
Gotcha. And I'm gonna get our PO. I'm gonna get his information. Just get our PO to contact with him.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. So I'm gonna do 2 charges of theft of mail and 2 charges of financial fraud transactions. So that's what we're, because there's only 2 residents here, and I spoke with both of them this morning. So
Yeah. Well, I don't know if she's gonna look at her purse. She took another one the other day.
she took another one?
Yeah, she had the same victim had another one.
A replacement cent.
She didn't get it, so we're gonna try to see if
Did she still have it?
we're gonna check.
Because one of them was saying something about that AT&T won't replace it anymore. Or they
It may not be a replacement. Yeah, she may
No,
not.
she said she won't replace it. They won't replace it no more. So I don't know if because the replacement got sold.
She basically admitted to doing it. She didn't want to at first. She was trying to blame some guy. Put her up to him. I'm like, you're on video.
So what was her confession?
She stole it and used the card, but she's trying to say that some guy put her up to it. And he was benefiting from it. I'm like, how's he benefiting from it? You're the one going into beauty salons and you use your racetrack. Liquor store. I think it's BS. She wouldn't have done that. So, but there's a coworker.
Yeah, I saw that.
I think she works this route. She steals too. So I'm wondering she may be next if I can catch her. She hasn't been using the cars, but she's with her.
Right. I'm gonna get you one of my cards.
Yeah, man.
Crazy people risk their jobs for petty stuff like this, man.
Get one of your PIO.
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
I'll go introduce myself.
I appreciate you, man.
Oh, no problem at all, man. No problem at all.
Hey, William. Yes, sir. This is Sergeant Hunger.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
He's with his PIO. I told him you were our PO.
Okay.
He's my supervisor, too.
Okay.
Yeah,
They agreed to help out because it's the victims are actually in Austell City.
Yeah, they can do the press release, and I'll just rubber stamp.
I told them that they can put joint.
Joint investigation, post the OIG plug you guys and us.
Okay.
Who's our PI? You know right now?
And would it be Allen? Captain Allen?
Oh, it's
Captain
the guy.
Allen.
Okay,
Yeah.
my bad.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get all his information over to you guys.
Yes, sir.
I'll send his information to y'all, and he'll
Yes, sir.
reach out to you.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
No problem at all.
Appreciate y'all helping.
No problem.
Yeah, they gonna do that press release.
Right.
She gonna be the poster child for USPS fraud, stealing mail.
35. Yeah. Check my bag. Yeah. Whatever. Gotcha.
You know? Hey, Christina. Chris, yeah.
Get out of here. You can have one for the rest of yourself. Yeah, I'm not rush you right now.
And then 2 of those are government stuff. So
You don't have.
just gotta climb that first.
They're not aggravating. I'm sure she's going to get out. So it's the end of the day or something.
It's okay.
Just being,
Oh yeah, for sure. Sure.
you know, your partner's like, and then you know, if they got one spot, I'm gone. It's like,
See, that's why I express having that in the cars, having EWI cars. It's so much more convenient.
Yeah. You guys okay if she calls your mom real quick?
Yes, go for it.
Yeah, she works here too.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah,
To it if she bought. No, I have no idea. So, I don't know if they explained to you. So we'll be taking to Cobb County Jail. We'll be going in on 2 counts of financial transaction and 2 counts of theft of mail. So you'll be going to Cobb County. What your bond will be, we don't know that right now. All right.
Yeah, the only thing I found was one Macy's card, but
She said she
you
you got to say nice. Nothing like that.
you got to get a badge.
Hey, money low.
I didn't see the money.
Are they all selling Hicks? That's it.
I had to remind because okay, you good? Just in her purse. Do you have any mail matter in your personal vehicle? You don't ride with your mom? Okay. How about at your house? Mail at your house?
You ain't copy this?
No, I got everything already.
You're good. You want me to search for it?
Yes, please.
Could you slip your shoe off? Just pull it up enough.
Man, this half-ass search, man. You can tell she ain't used to searching nobody, man. She come on, man. In this scenario right here, I would probably have her turn and face the truck, both hands. Oh wait, hold on. I will have her turn and face the truck, both hands up on the truck. Spread your legs. You know what I'm saying? Move back a little bit so they're leaning forward so you can have better balance. And then you search them from behind. You don't search them head up. Like, I mean, I get it. There's a whole bunch of cops around and all that. The chances of her doing something is probably not high, but you still want to practice good habits here.
For me to just make sure there's nothing. It's already in my
Exactly what I'm saying. Half-ass. What if she's, you know that, what if you could lift the sole up and there's something underneath the sole? You don't know, like, whatever.
Push this. No, you're
I'll take walk towards him.
Practice makes perfect, man. You always want to practice good habits. Oh, handcuffed in the front? Oh, wow. They ain't check underneath the hat or nothing.
Move around the front of the car and this first door over here. Yep.
Copy of 45. 987 Eagle Hills Lane. 987 Eagle Hills Lane.
Go ahead. To your left. You're going to see the wall.
Oh, wow. Damn, it just cut off like that? Okay. Yeah, man. I mean, this was actually a pretty boring. This is pretty boring, actually. But overall, the cops did okay. I mean, I think the pat frisk was pretty piss poor. Now, let's say, you know, hypothetically, you know, we know USPS drivers, you know, they tend to carry maybe even little knives or box cutters or something like that or whatever, right? Let's say she had one underneath her hat and, you know, they'd never check the hat or whatever. And then when they finally get her out the car, what if she has it in her hand because they cuffed her in the front? You know, they cuffed her in the front so she could have immediately reached back there, whatever, got whatever out. And as soon as the officer opens up that door, slit, having them look like shredded cheese. You know what I'm saying? Look like boy went through a cheese grater. Now, whose fault would that be? Lackadaisical, just like we seen that other case when the shoplifter or whatever, the cop didn't do a proper pat frisk, right? He didn't do a proper frisk, and the guy had a weapon in his fanny pack and almost blew his top back, almost sent him to the afterlife. You know, practice makes perfect. The only way that you're gonna get good at doing a pat frisk is by doing them. You know, and there's no better way to do them than when there's other people around, because they could critique you on how to do certain things. You know, okay, well, do this better, do that better. That's just lackadaisical. And I get it. She's a USPS driver, so, you know, the chances of her doing something is slim, but you never know. You never know. Anyways, yeah, so overall, I get a cops 3 out of 5. You know, it was just a piss poor frisk. I ain't gonna lie, it was piss poor. So 3 out of 5 from me, still satisfactory, but piss poor though. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.